I'm here at Stouffville Toyota, and this is the pre-owned 2016 Tundra Crewmax Platinum. Now this truck does come with its safety standard certificate included with the truck. It's got a sunroof, as you can see. Now this truck has been fully serviced, and it does come with some really cool accessories like a TRD Dual Exhaust. It comes with 4 brand new tires. It has a TRD Grill, a tonneau cover, a leveling kit, fender flares, and then it has running boards, leather heated seats, and navigation, and of course you saw the sunroof. So there's the tonneau cover. Brand new tires. Again, this is the 2016 Tundra Crewmax in the Platinum package here at Stouffville Toyota.